I grew garlic. Now what? Hey, thoughtful gardeners. I am so excited to tell you that I've got my first garlic harvest for the season. Oh, it smells so good. And you know what's gonna taste so good is my own homegrown garlic. This was really super simple. I just took some really beautiful bulbs I got at our Amish farmers market, and they were organic, and I planted them last fall, and now look at this harvest. So what do? Well, obviously I can use this fresh, no problem, but if you're gonna be storing these, they do require a little bit of work. First and foremost, we want to make sure that this bulb gets good and dry if we're gonna store it. So you wanna put it in a warm place for the next 10 to 15 days. Obviously, we're gonna knock the soil off of it so it doesn't get too dirty inside. And then once it's dry, we can braid these. Have you ever seen braided garlic? It looks so pretty. And then you can hang them if you wish. But it's super important to get this dry. Same for your onions. You wanna leave on the papery skin, you wanna let it get super dry. If there's not gonna be a forecast for rain, you can leave them out in the bed itself to dry for a couple of days when you're talking about an onion. But these are gonna need about 10 to 15 in a warm place. I hope this is helpful to you for your quick tip of how to get your garlic ready for storage. Garden thoughtfully and take care.